Substituting for a teacher. When a lesson is taught by someone other than the class teacher, you can track this with the substitute feature. Please note, to track a substitute, they must be in the system as a staff member. You can assign the substitute from the calendar or from the Edit Lesson page. Select Calendar from the main menu. Navigate to the lesson and select it. Then select the substitute teacher from the drop-down in the pop-up message. Your change will save automatically. The list is divided into two groups, with staff members who teach on top and other staff members on the bottom. For more information on staff who teach and adding staff members, see the appropriate help tutorial in the staff section. You can also assign the substitute in the lesson edit page. Select Edit Lesson from the pop-up message to go into the Edit Lesson page. You can also get to the Edit Lesson page from the Lessons list page. First, select Classes from the main menu. Then select the class from the appropriate year and semester. Then select the Lesson submenu. Find the lesson from the list, and then select the pen icon to edit the lesson. In the Edit Lesson page, you will see the Substitute Teacher drop-down. Select the Substitute drop-down to choose the substitute teacher. Then select Save to save your changes. Please note that the substituted lesson and substitute teacher will also be tracked in the teacher's report. For more information on the teacher's report, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Reports section.